Hey guys, what's up? Hope you're having an awesome day. Welcome to day 2 of my 12 days of Christmas discount giveaway. Today is for my pocket hole cornhole boards. If you remember this video, I did for my daughter's birthday. It was a Monsters Inc. theme, so I made some cornhole boards painted just like Mike and Sully. But these are a great thing to have if you entertain a lot, want to have some games on hand that you can play with your friends and family. So download those plans for 50% off. And also don't forget, enter my giveaway for a 100% shopping spree over my plans, and you'll get, to your heart's content, any plan that you want 100% free. And any amount that you want for that matter. So they're all up for grabs for one lucky winner. That is through my Facebook and Instagram feed, so check that out. Just want to let you know that the plans that I had from day 1, which is my clamp cabinet, are still up until the end of today, and now my pocket holes will be up until the end of tomorrow, and then check back for day 3 for a brand new plan listed at 50% off. So guys, hope you're having an awesome weekend, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Boom!